Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the Google Chrome language back to English in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So here at the Google Chrome browser, the moment you are being navigated in this kind of window, please proceed directly at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Please click on it. And the catch is you need to look for the icon and not on the text because definitely you won't be able to understand such, especially if the language that you have set in your Google Chrome is the unfamiliar one. So basically you won't be able to understand, so please scroll down and locate with this gear icon. Okay, and that is the settings. So please click on it. And the moment you do it, you will be redirected to this Chrome settings where here you need to navigate to the left pane and locate for this icon which has this A icon, A alphabet, and a language icon as well. So that contains the language. So please click on it and eventually you would be able to open up this window where here you need to proceed with this option which is being highlighted. Is the text is being highlighted into blue one. Please click on it and you would be able to see a search bar here. Please type for English. And here you would be able to see a list of languages related to English. Please select on this United States. So click on this one. The moment you have checked it, go with this blue text, blue option, click on it, and eventually it will be added here. Okay? Now here's the catch. You need to proceed to the last language that is being added. Okay? Again, proceed to the last language that is being added because that is the recent language that you have recently added here, which is the English US. So aligning to it, you can see there are three dots. Please click on it and you would be able to see a box there. Please click on it and check this. Click on this one. Okay, and the moment you do it, you would be able to relaunch your Google Chrome browser. So in that manner, you have just successfully set the Google Chrome language back to English. Okay, so from that on, check if it's being set here in the entire Google Chrome. Yes, it is being set in the entire Google Chrome. So by that on, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.